Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about tonight. We're going to have one more live training before the weekend, and we're going to get this out before Christmas comes and everybody's all busy. So, might do one tomorrow, but more than likely tonight's going to be our last one until um, probably next week. So, what we're going to talk about is I got the Ranger bot back today, SpyBot Ranger, and this is an auto trading bot and with the settings and so forth. So we're going to talk about this tonight. And today, if we put in 10 contracts on it, you would have made $600, 900, 1200, 15, five times 1800, and then one at 1700. You do the math. That's a lot of money. You're probably in the neighborhood of $18,000, I think it is, something like that. Maybe somewhere along through there. I can't remember the exact number, but that's where you are. And the Ranger indicator that we already have does a fabulous job. It does a real good job making money. And now we have the bot to go along with it. So I'll be able to release this bot in a few days. I've got a couple little things I need to do to it. Once I finish that up, then I'm going to release it. And you can get that on the website. But let's tell you how to register for the webinar. So you go to Spy Money LLC, you go to Training Webinars, and you come down here, you click on the last one. That's Thursday, 8 p.m. tonight, Eastern Time. And you will go ahead and put in your name, your email address, and then that will get you registered. It'll send you a link to how you can get in. We're also going to talk about past training videos, how you can see those, and also a new VIP membership that we are now offering, and it's going to allow you a lot of information for very little money. So we're going to talk about that as well tonight. So between those and we got a couple little tricks up our sleeve talking about another bot that we use. So it's going to be maybe a little bit longer than an hour tonight. We're going to talk about quite a bit. So I hope to see you tonight. And again, remember, you got a Ranger bot coming your way, and you're not going to want to miss it. I will see you at 8 p.m. sharp. We start right on the second. We don't wait. Have a good night.